I want to show you how to release your peroneals, or the muscles on the side of your lower leg, on the outside of your lower leg. What you do is you take, I have a lacrosse ball here, you can use a hard ball if you want, tennis ball too. Tennis ball is not quite as effective, but it may be if you may want to try it out with that. So what you do is you place it, you find a tender spot that's between a 5 and an 8 in intensity on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being excruciating, 1 being if there's just pressure. And you'll find a spot that's sore, and you can put your hand on your knee and just gently press down and just hold. Now you're going to hold this spot for 2 minutes. If before that time is over, the intensity on that one spot goes down below level 5, then you can move to another spot. It could be up, could be down, could be slightly forward, could be slightly back. There's going to be plenty of spots I'd be willing to wager. So just hold this, and this is good for if you have outside knee issues or maybe ankle and maybe even feet problems. You may want to give this a try. See if these muscles are tender to the touch and to be released.